Hello, I'm Alec, and
hey, I'm Teddy, and we were working on the Animal Hackathon project together.
yes, so what we did for our project was a key where you have to follow the steps to go and find which animal is being described. And we have a list here of 14 animals that the user has to go through this key and figure out which one is which. So let's run it, and it gives you some background information.
So it shows all the different questions and different animals sort of that correspond to each question, and then it will give you a couple of sets of clues. So for this one, it says lives in a pack, doesn't live in the water, and then the type is Canis lupus. So from those clues, you have to go through the different questions and try and narrow down which animal it is.
So I'll just do a little walkthrough with it. So it says it goes on land, so it doesn't live on water, so that means it must go on land, so you go to 2. Has wings or feathers. It doesn't necessarily say anything about that, so let's go to 6. And it says it is not, because if you look here in the Canis lupus, those seem to be dog types, and so no, and you go to 9, and then it lives in the wild, so yes, so packs are typically in the wild, so it's Canis lupus, and then the user will type in wolf, and it's correct.
Yep.
And it gives you,
Yeah, and the way that it actually tells if it's correct is at the bottom of the program. It shows it's a small, only like 10 lines of code, but it basically, the user guess is equal to the input, what is the animal. So once you type it in the input, it will just check it against what is the actual animal that it chose from its random selection. And then if it's the correct animal, then it will skip the whole incorrect try again part because it's not equal to the correct animal, and then it will just print correct, and then the program will just close out.
Yes, and our main while loop to make this keep going is while the length of animals, which is the list, is greater than 0. So we have an animal picker, so it picks a random number from 0 to the length of our animal list, and it will remove that animal that it just chose, so it's not in this list anymore, and we can pick a new animal without any redundancy. And so until there are no more animals left that haven't been chosen, it keeps going.
Yep, so it will pretty much just keep going infinitely. So let's do this one as well. Is orange. Let's start the goes on land. Yes, lives in the jungle. So has wings or feathers. It doesn't say anything about that, and it says it's part of the cat family, so no wings or feathers. So go to 6. It says it is part of the cat family. Go to 7. It says lives in the jungle, so it has to be tiger. So we can type in, go to 8, and then it says it is orange, so we'll go tiger, and then it will say correct, and then we'll make a new animal for us to choose, and it'll just keep going forever until there are no animals left.
So I think that really encompasses all of it. We also have time. We imported time, so we can, instead of just instantly going into the next animal, it gives about a 3-second wait period, so the user can see if they were correct, rather than having, because it goes instantly and then you have to scroll up and see it. Just easier this way. So yeah, I think that's it.